Greetings and welcome to a new video. I hope you're all doing well. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to completely remove the Palera1n Jailbreak Rootless without a computer and get your device back to stock in seconds. If you want to remove the root full Palera1n Jailbreak, the guide is in the pinned comment and in the description. So you can use this method to remove the rootless Palera1n Jailbreak on iOS 15 as well. You can also check it out in the loader app that it is a rootless jailbreak and it is on iOS 16.5.1. You'll have to simply open the loader for the Palera1n Jailbreak and you will see revert install right here. Just tap it and then again hit revert install and your device should now reboot. Now guys, after a reboot, when you go in, you will see that the Palera1n loader is gone and the Celio package manager is also gone, and now your device is back on stock without a computer. Now guys, one more thing I want to include in the same video is that if you have used burhanrana and you have this old Palera1n loader, you can also remove the jailbreak in the same way. Simply open the Palera1n loader and you will see this gear icon. Just tap it and you will see remove jailbreak. Alright, just tap it and your jailbreak is gone. Now close and you will see the loader. Now simply we will restart the device. Just turn it off and on again. And guys, in the same way, when you are back after a reboot, the jailbreak is gone and your device is completely back on stock. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.